So we're back. This system, it's having a power issue. So when we plug in the jack, it doesn't give out any sign of power. Even the LED light is not showing. So we discovered there was a bond somewhere. The capacitor is burnt. So we need to replace it with another one from a scrap board, because that burnt capacitor is giving a wrong reading, which is short to the ground. So we need to replace it to see if it will correct the issue of the light not coming to the board. So we're done replacing. Looks like we check our reading and seems it's fine. Everything seems okay now. So let's check if the current will come into the board, and let's replace it. Replace the one that we've removed from the motherboard, the bad capacitor. So after removing and replacing, we'll check if the system will power up. So looks like it's fine. Let's connect our RAM and power up the system to see if it will come up. Connect our charger. See, the light is up. Let's bridge and see if the system will come up. And here we go. The system is up. So the bad capacitor was the issue why the system was not powering from beginning.